I started in March 2017. I joined university as an assistant professor, and there onwards, I am working as a professional, as a teacher, as a tutor, and a mentor. After leaving my regular job, I mean, where I had to physically teach students offline job, I was looking for some reliable platform where I can look for the leads, I can find students and get connected with them. So during my search online, I got across Urban Pro, and I found it really reliable in having getting genuine leads. All right. The thing is that, I have a very personalized approach on Urban Pro. Ever since I joined Urban Pro, I kind of noticed that students posting for inquiries here, they're looking for very customized class, tailor-made classes. So I understand their strength, their weaknesses. I, have a demonstration with them where I do ask for their specific requirements, and I try to step into the shoes where they exactly what I want to put my effort into a very directed way, so that they're maximally getting benefits, and they're because it's word of mouth, when they learn something good, they get benefited, they'll be spreading and they'll be helping other students also achieve success. A very important phase. I mean, choosing Urban Pro as a platform to showcase my talent and provide tuitions to students has been a very important point in my life, since this enabled me to get the leads, to connect with students, to understand their requirements, and to also pursue my career at the same time. Because there was a point in my life where I could not um, pursue my regular 9 to 5 job. I couldn't go out, I couldn't work with with the team there. So I tried building up a team here, and it Urban Pro actually helped me succeed here. Percent work from Urban Pro. I'm like a full-time tutor, almost 80%, and then a couple of them from here and there also.
Okay. Thank you so
When I found that students do count on us, like when students need help, they are really weak on something, on some point, something is bothering them, and they really count on their teachers. They look for help and they actually get benefited. Your words matter to them. So that was one thing, that realization when it came in my life, because I wasn't, to be very honest, I wasn't very serious about teaching early in my life. I was more research oriented. So I did PhD and I was there working as a research professional, and I did not consider teaching to be my biggest strength. It's my student who actually made me realize that teaching can be a very good profession for me.